let's first implement the exit button is pressed. We need to return to the menu screen. So here when exit button is pressed, first we need to get the window and then remove the current body of the window. So but the window information is over here inside the calculator simulator. So we need to provide a getter for that. Public JFrame get window return window there. So button click listener first, let's clear everything from the content pane. So panel get window, let's have a window there, and JFrame is from Java X Swing, and then window get content pane, remove all, delete everything there, and then create a menu screen, new menu screen, providing the window. Actually, from the rest is similar to main method how we did it, but slight difference is there. But so create the menu screen, and the menu screen we need to call init method. After that, window pack and window dot revalidate instead of a set visible. The first time we call set visible, but after that, as we change the contents, we call revalidate. So this is how to go back to the menu screen. Let's test for that. Run calculator simulator. Exit. We go back to the main menu screen. Exit there. So this exit button is properly implemented.